Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm a product specialist here at Mart. This is a look at the Xclusive model stairlift. There are a few things that do stand out on the stairlift. First off, it's very well designed, very aesthetically pleasing to look at. It basically does not look like a medical device sitting in your house. So if you are needing a stairlift, something like this is a great option. This has a weight capacity of 286 pounds. You notice a very nice upholstery. This unit will fold up against the wall, so it makes it super easy for someone that still needs to utilize the stairs. And basically this folds up to approximately 13 inches in depth. If you notice the rail, in this case we have a couple, this is just our demo unit, but you'll have approximately 3 feet that will actually attach to the stair treads themselves. And this is a very easy to clean, very easy to use track. So when I'm ready to use it, basically this just folds down. If you notice, nice oversized arms, make it super easy to relax my arms in here as I travel up. This has a seat depth of 13 inches and a very easy to use retractable seat belt for safety. Several other safety features that are built into the Xclusive model is with any stairlift, it's going to be a toggle that goes one direction or the other depending on which way you want to travel. So in this case, I'm going to travel up the stairs, and there's usually about a 2 or 3 second delay just for safety reasons. That way if it gets bumped by somebody, it doesn't automatically start to jump the chair up the track. Very quiet, very smooth. Once you do get to the top on your stairlift, it's very easy to do this. Basically, you'll notice that the foot plate comes about even with your top of your landing. And there's a very easy to push lever on both sides. Simply depress it slightly, and I can either turn 45 degrees and lock, or I can continue on to 90. Just depends on which way it's easier to get out of the stairlift at the top of the steps. A couple things that do make it nice, if you have some difficulty even then getting up, maybe have like a grab bar up at the top of the steps. Or you can also use these to push off too, but basically you do want to kind of think about what your top of your landing looks like and what may work best for you. Another nice feature with the Xclusive model stairlift is we do have 2 remotes that come with it. Keep one remote at the top, one remote at the bottom. The idea with this is if you do have 2 people in the home that are using a stairlift, I can easily travel down the stairlift and then either send it back up to my spouse or someone loved one who's upstairs, or vice versa, I can send it back up. Maybe if they want to put some laundry on for me, things like that, put on something on the basket, send it back down. I hear a lot of people say they utilize that for that. But ideally it's made for someone who, when you have 2 people in the house that need to use it. The Xclusive Stairlift is battery operated. It has charging points at the bottom and the top, so you always want to have that charger connected to your AC at the house. So you always want to make sure you have an outlet within about approximately 10 feet of the base. The Xclusive Stairlift is backed by one of the best warranties in the industry. If we can help you with this item or anything else here at Mart, stairlift wise, any product for mobility at the home, please give us a call at medmartonline.com at 1-888-260-4430.